enjoyed myself. I was having fun out there.
How'd you feel about it with the other guys while you're out there?
So about the same.
Yeah.
Alex, box, box, box. Do you copy? Box, box, box.
Not getting worse. Yeah, it's I stopped trying to hit a number exactly. Yeah, it just felt as much as I could get without sliding.
Without stuff,
Yeah, so I just want to save it a little bit. Just, yeah, because there's no banking to help you.
Yeah. I don't like that.
Drive out there. You're out there waiting at. You got 45 minutes in, just over 45 minutes. Now turn over to James Switch. How's your drive?
Yeah, the car was really manageable. We've been working hard on this car all weekend, and now it's starting to become better. The car is really, really good right now. Super happy with what both motorsports are able to put together. Yeah, I enjoyed myself. I was having fun out there. So
Yeah, the smell on your face says it all. So
yeah,
James Switch's going to take it over now and bring it home.
yeah, he's gonna bring it home. I gave him a good car. I think I saved all I could and just managed the pace. And yeah, crossing our fingers to the end now. So
Good luck the rest of the way.
thank you.
Perfect pace.
Yeah, when you told me 45.2 or 42.5.
We're still pulling by about a second a gap. Yeah, a second a lap.
Yeah.
Wow, great.
Perfect. Okay.
Excellent job.
and James French, come on up.